We're gonna learn some tricks today. I'm Gabe.
Alright, so first up, we have the board flip, the Primo Correct, the 360 tailspin, and the pop flip. Alright, so the first trick we're going to be doing is the board flip. It's quite simple and it's hard to mess up. All you're doing is flipping the board and landing on it. So yeah, that's about it. So don't mess up. Okay, so this one I'm calling the Primo Correct. And I'm not sure if it's a real trick or not, but you're basically just flipping the board so that it lands in a Primo stance, and then you essentially just do a half shove it around and land on it. Because your feet don't really leave the board at all, it makes the trick really easy to learn. Just practice getting your feet onto the board, and then at the end, putting it all together and flipping it. By the way, you'll never be able to learn these tricks if you don't follow me on SoundCloud and like the video. Okay, time for the next trick. This is called the 360 tailspin, I think. Make sure you can already 360 kick turn. It's going to make it much easier. This trick may take a few tries, but is really cool and will impress your friends. So, learn it. Cool. Moving on to our last trick, we have the pop flip. This may or may not already be a trick, but I've been messing around with it for a while, so I wanted to add it to this list. This is probably the hardest trick on the list, and will definitely take some practice, but shouldn't be too hard. To ease into this trick, you can start flipping it halfway, and then moving on to more and more rotations. To do this trick, just pop down in the center of your tail really hard, and hit it with your hand, and hope you land on it. That's it. If you're not a pro like me, it might take a couple tries. By the way, don't practice too long, it will cut up your hands.
So yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you next time.